Today we're going to talk to you about how to change your server name and your server settings. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your control panel, which is going to go by the panel.infectgamehosting.com. You're going to log in with the credentials that you have when you purchase it, so your username and your password here. Once you log in, you're going to be opening up your server, which this is your dashboard. For the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go here to manage. If your server is on or running, you're going to stop it, as we have to stop our server to do any of our changes. And so you can see here it is stopping. Once it's stopped, you're going to be able to see a start and update button. That's when you know it is stopped. For some odd reason, if it's kind of stuck on stopping and you don't see these two buttons, just refresh it and then sign in and sign back out, and it should stop then. So once it's fully stopped, you're going to navigate to the game settings. So we're going to click configure, and then you're going to click the name of your game. So for instance, I'm using Palworld. This will open up the game specific configuration panel. This is where you're also going to be able to customize the server settings. So the server name is how your server appears in the game browser, server password to make your server private, max players, you can set the number of player slots, and plus any other game specific options available. Changes are saved automatically as soon as you leave the setting area. There's no save button required. So if you want to change your server name, it will automatically save once you go back, and then you can come back in here and check it. So like if you want to click on a different tab, go back into server, your new server name will be there. Once everything is saved, you're going to go back to your status and you're going to reset your server. So you're going to return back to the server section and you're going to click start or relaunch. So click start, and that is going to just reset your server with the new configurations that you just made. So if you changed the name, the password, the max players, or any other specific games options, everything would be updated once you start your server again.